Hey guys, welcome back to C++ Programming for Beginners series. Now, as I said, C++ is 90% similar to C except for its object-oriented programming methods. So, all the operators, if-else conditions, loops such as for loops, while loops, do-while loops, switch statements, pointer declarations, defined functions, arrays, matrices, enumerations, and unions is exactly the same as C programming. So I'll link a playlist to my C programming videos in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.